Okay, so my keyboard just came today and the box is slightly damaged. Nothing real major, but just gonna video this unpackaging to make sure there's no damage. Get the crease in the bubble wrap a little bit too. Through here. And there's nothing additional besides just the outer box to keep it protected. Looks okay. A different color than mine. It's odd. Mine have orange buttons, these are blue. And in fact, they're not even all labeled, so this looks to me like it's the wrong keyboard. Well, that's not cool. So let's just confirm here. This is the old keyboard. And it looks very similar, but the function keys are not labeled. I hope that's not going to make a difference other than having to remember that they're different. This is the wrong model number. This is not the model number that I ordered. I'm pretty sure. Okay, so I'm gonna check my order again, but this is definitely not the right model number. You can see this model number ends in 121L. My original model number ends in 4305L. And the function key is a different color and has different functions listed, so this might end up being a return. We'll plug it and see what it does.